You are welcome to today's live trading session with penny to fortune traders. In this video, I will be showing you how to build an account from as low as 5 USD to something good. If market is calm enough, if market is favorable, you see that we will double this account the same day. Not at a blow, but gradually, progressively. And I'm going to guide you step by step on how to build an account from small to big. So you follow me. This is my trading account. This is a demo. I'm choosing the real account. Of course, you can see 5 USD. This is a real account. And that's what we are going to use to trade. This is a live trading session. And this is binary option trading, and we are trading on the platform Derrick.com. In case you may like to open an account with them to trade alongside with me, you can check the comments section. We have dropped a link on how to follow to official website of Derrick.com and open an account. All right, back to this. When you sign up here, under here you can trade many things, including forex. You have forex page. As a matter of fact, when you log in for the first time, it will take you to forex page. You see something like this: Australian dollars against Japanese yen. But I'm not trading forex actually on this platform. You have stock indices, you have commodities like gold, palladium, silver, platinum, and so on. You have dairy basket. I'm not trading this one. This is what I trade: derived synthetic market. And under this derived, you have so many markets. Here they're lined up, but I trade only 7 out of all these numerous markets. I trade daily reset indices, which is only bear market and index, and bull market index. Then I also come down here under continuous indices. I trade volatility 10 index, volatility 25 index, volatility 50 index, 75 and 100, which is the last. If you check very well, you see the ones that carry one ace. I do not trade those ones because they are extremely fast for my strategy. So I only trade the ones that do not carry one ace. All right, follow me as we embark on this trading session today. Okay, I may not have enough time to explain the strategy I'm using, but I will make another video to outline the strategies step by step that I'm using to trade through my trading. Though among the strategies there is martingale strategy. I also combine retracement strategy, breakout, and trend continuation. Again, aside from that, you need a high level of self-control, self-discipline while trading. In a high level of self-discipline. But that's not the lesson for today. Today we want to see how we can raise this account from 5 USD. So let's see. I like starting from the daily reset indices, and then I will check down to see the market that is favorable. And the trade type I'm doing is rise and fall. You have other trade types here. You have higher, lower, you have touch and no touch, in between, but I trade rise and fall. And the start time is now. Duration, I'm embarking on 1 minute trading. It's a short time frame trading, 1 minute trading. And I have different scales for different portfolio. For this portfolio size, I will start with my scale 1. My scale 1, the total risk is $2.45, where I spread across 5 trading stages using martingale strategy. I also apply Bollinger Band indicator with some with candlesticks pattern to do this trading. Yes, I apply Bollinger Band. but that's not the class for today. All right. This 2.5 $2.45 is spread across five uh, trade stages. So that if you lose the first one, you can move to the second one. If you get the second one right, it covers a previous loss and then you still make profit. If you lose the second one, you move to the third one. It covers the previous loss and you still make profit. While the fourth and the last stage, that's the fifth stage, at the recovery stage. All right. And at each stage, I have what I call stop loss, where I cut my loss short. I also have take profit, where I can close my trade to take the profit. All right, that's to safeguard my trading because it's a highly volatile market we want to trade. Okay, and another success factor is your ability to identify favorable market session. We have more of unfavorable market session than favorable market session. So your one of your key factors is your ability to identify favorable market sessions and your ability to refrain from trading when the market is not favorable. So we take the scale one, our scale one, the first trade start with 35 cents. That's one thing about tariff. It allows you to trade with a low. My first trading lot is 35 cents. It is $0.35. And I always remember to tick this allow equal box, because if you don't tick it, if the market lands at the same entry spot, it will be counted for you as a loss. But if you tick this and it lands at the same entry spot indices, it will be counted for you as a success. So the next thing, you go here and you click on the chart. It will take you to line chart. I have my saved settings already. I always come here. When I come here, I load chart template. This is my saved settings, of which if you keep following this channel, I think the next video I will show you how I set up all these things. But for today, we want to build this 5 USD account, if possible to double it today. So let's see how it goes. Okay, this market was trying to reverse, but I'm not seeing my confirmation there, so I let it go. I check bull market index still on that daily reset indices. I check the naked chart. It seems it's still going down. Let me see if it still continue. We may likely follow. And after placing a trade, you have to click on view. View helps you to see the progress of your trade, and you can also come down here to see sell on the market. You have opportunity of closing the market before the contract time elapse. That is, if it reaches your stop profit or your take profit or your stop loss, you can close it. Okay, and when the market is running into your favor, you see green, the potential profit and loss will show in green. When it's running against you, you see the potential profit and loss will show in red. And you know, market is actually always fluctuating, moving in a zigzag manner, even though it's going in your direction. So you need to exercise patience. You need to master the attitude of the market. And when the time is less than 14 seconds, you will not be allowed to sell on the market again. Like what is happening here, you see result of this contract is not offered, so you have to wait till it finishes. And this one finishes against us, and thank God for martingale strategy, we still have 4 more stages. We now move to the next stage, which is $0.70, that is 70 cents, and our stop loss is 30 cents, while I take profit is 50 cents. Yes. And what again, I check the chart. If it's still okay, I change the market because it seems the market has been fluctuating there. I come down here to continuous indices. I start with 100 index. I check the naked chart. I don't trade markets that the line chart are kind of rough or spiky. I need a smooth trend because I'm trading short market interval, so I need a market that is very smooth and steady. So let's see. We are still scouting the market, looking for a favorable trend. Okay, let's see if we can follow this one, though it has gone far already. And see if we can see catch up. But we have a way to cut a loss short, and we have way to take a profit. It seems to be going in that direction now. You also check your counts down. Okay. All right. I close the trade because it's up to my take profit, which is 50 cents. This is 57 cents, and you see the profit reflecting my account balance. All right. Whenever I have success, I return to the start. The start is 35 cents for this scale, for this my trading scale. So I return to the start, which is 35 cents. I check the market again. I don't see any need to remain there. I move on to check. I now move to daily reset indices if I can see something to trade here. Okay, this one is reversing. Let me see with the candlestick. The signal here is not very okay for me. Based on my strategy, it's not okay. So I get out of the market. I'm still looking for something that aligns with my strategy. Okay, this one seems to be trending down and at the same time seems to be reversing. Okay, I've seen a reversal here, but I need a confirmation. I need a second candle to form. I need a second buying candle to form before I can follow. Okay, so let's see if the signal will be strong. I'm waiting for the second candle. Based on my strategy, I know some people are thinking I'm supposed to enter trade now. Remember, we are trading short time frame market. So there's a signal, there's a confirmation I'm expecting to see. You see, had it been you entered, it would have gone against you. There's a confirmation I'm looking for. Okay, and I can now follow. I've seen my confirmation, but that doesn't mean it will still 100% sure. But it keeps you at a good probability of success. And I come down here to check if it has reached my stop loss or take profit level. Then I can sell at the market. You need patience. It's now going in my favor. I still come down here to check. At 35 cents, if I see 25-cent profit, I close the trade. Oh, I cannot close the trade at this point. I have to wait for it to finish. It's out of my control. When it's less than 14 seconds, you can no more sell at market. It ends to our favor, so you can see we have 53 cents profit on top. I see it stand at the 35 cents. Whenever I have profit, I return to the start. This is the start, so I cannot move further. I still remain there. If I was at 70, I would have returned to 35 cents. If I was at $1.40, I would have returned to 35 cents whenever I have a profit, whenever I have a success. But if I have a loss, I move to the next stage. But if I have a profit, I return to the start stage one. If I'm at stage one, I still remain at stage one. That's what is happening now. We are moving. Our portfolio is building gradually, progressively. I'm still looking for a good chart. This one seems to be trending up. Let me see with candlestick if I have something. Okay, there's a little resistance here. If it gets above the resistance, I will follow them. And now follow. Why am I doing that? So that I stand a good probability of success. I come down here to check at sell at market. If it gets to my take profit, I close the market to my favor. If it gets to my stop loss, I cut my loss short, close the market too. I'm waiting for it. I'm being patient on the market. You want to see this how it's moving here. This is the trading going on. I still come down here to check. See the time down, the countdown also is running. Okay. Oh, resell is not offered, is below 14 seconds, so I have to wait till it finishes. And it seems it's finishing to my favor. It's finishing in my favor, and that's another success. You see my profit, my capital has increased to $5.84. That means we just made 84-cent profit. As simple as that. Gradually, I still remain at the 35 cents because I'm still making progress. Can only move to the next stage if I have a loss. It's saying the signal is still working. I see try there. I view my trade. After placing the trade, I have to view. Is that the view that I can sell at market? Oh, it's up to 16. I close. I cut my loss short because I saw 16 cents. My stop profit at that stage is 15. I saw 16, so I closed it. I closed it there, and it landed me at 8 cents. So now move to the next one, 70 cents. I see check. It's about reversing now, but I need a confirmation. I need a second candle to still form in that direction before I can follow. All right. All right. All right. I hope you are with me. We are progressing. It's reversing, but I need a confirmation candle to form before I can follow. The next candle is about forming. Which direction is it going? It seems that it's not going the way I want it to go. So without wasting time there, I have to check another market. 25 index. Oh, this one was reversing. It was retracing. Now let's see. Even the retracement here, I need a confirmation in the second candle. If you see the pattern, you see buy candle being preceded preceded by red candle, sell candle, then you have a mixture. So you need a confirmation in order to execute your trade. Let me exercise patience and see the next candle that is about forming. If it will still be a buy candle, it's fluctuating between buy and sell. I dismiss it. I check another market. You don't have to waste time on one market, because why you waste time there? Remember, we are on a short time interval trading. While you are waiting there might be signal forming elsewhere in another market. So you have to be a bit dynamic. Don't waste too much time on one market. Oh, there was a good signal here, but I have a little resistance just close by. If it gets above that resistance level, that temporary resistance level, that's when I can follow it. So I'm watching it, and you see the effect of that resistance level is affecting the trade there, the movement, and a return. Okay. I check, I come again over to 100 index. 100 index was like trying to reverse, it was trying to retrace, but let's see with candlestick setting what actually happened. Oh, it retraced and then returned. So I disengaged that one. I checked 75 index is too spiky. It won't favor my trade. This one seems to be going down. Let's see if we can attempt this one. Let's see. It's a kind of retracing now, but we will not wait for the confirmation market because we might be having a good signal elsewhere like what we just see now. Let's see this one. Oh, we have a good signal here. We follow immediately. You see why you shouldn't waste time on one market. You have to be dynamic. Remember, our take profit is 50 cents. Our stop loss at this level, this is 70 cents. And you see the timeline from 1 minute is counting down. 39 minutes, 37 seconds, 36 seconds. And we come down here, see our build up. We have 34, 37 cent profit. Goes back to 17, 12, 3. What's happening to my trade? It spiked back to 25. I'm still holding my ground. Oh, it has reached 14 seconds. We cannot sell at market again. We have to wait till finishing. So we wait and see if it will end to our favor. If not, we move to our next thing. Oh, glory. It ends to our favor. 66 cent profit. That's plus 94.29% profit. And you can see our balance has jumped from $5. We now have $6.42. As we have more than 20-cent profit, more than 20-cent increase on top of our capital. We have $6.42. We now return to 35 cents. The build up is gradually, bit by bit, bit by bit. You gather, you add up, you add up, you add up. The account is built, is keeps building up. Before you know it, you are building from a penny to a fortune. As simple as this. What is done here can be done to even a bigger account. As a matter of fact, as the account is growing, you also increase in scale. There are some scale that you'll be trading in big lot size, and that should be proportional to your account size so that your capital will be safe, both your capital and your profit. So it seems to get above the nearby resistance level. Let's see the next candle that is popping up. If it still continue in this direction, we place a trade. It's reversing. It's reversing. So what do? We check another market. Not wasting time here. We check another market because there might be signal elsewhere to trade. You should be very careful. And remember, whenever we have profit, we return to the start. Whenever we have a successful trade, return to the start. Oh, this was a good, but it has gone for a bit. Let's see if we can still catch up something. If I see just 15-cent profit here, I will just take it because it has gone far already. So I will not wait to get much so that it will not turn again. Remember, we are on a short time interval trading. Oh, I closed. It was up to my stop loss for that level, so I closed it. I saw 18 cents. My stop loss is 15 cents, so I close it to cut my loss short. So I move to the next one, 70 cents. Oh, we're still going that direction, but we couldn't take the risk. We have to adhere strictly to our pre-trading plan and discipline. I would have followed this, but this support level that I line up here makes me to be skeptical about the market continuing. Of course, you can see it reacting to the support level here. If the full candle keeps dipping down, I'll follow. Okay, but I'm checking the support level. It's obvious that it will not go down. I don't want to trade with a lower probability. Oh, there was a very good signal here, but we were not here on time. So let's see if we can still get something. Oh, it's a bar reversing. Bar reversing. Let's exercise patience here and see if this retracement will hold. If it holds, we need a confirmation. That's the next candle, another sell candle to form before we can follow. Okay, next candle is about coming out. Let's see. Is a kind of consolidating. We want to see a strong move. We want to see a strong move. You see, had it been we followed, it would have swindled us. Okay. I need a next move. And now follow. Why am I doing all this? I want to stand at a good probability of success. So I don't just jump into a signal. At this stage, we just need 50 cent profit. Then we'll take our profit. You see the market is going up and down. Our stop loss is 30 cents. Oh, it's up to stop loss, so we cut it short. We move to the next stage. The next stage is $1.40. At this $1.40, our stop loss is 60 cents. Then our take profit is $1.20. So we have to be very sure of the signal that we are picking. This one seems to be going down. We load our template. The support level here seems to be influencing the movement there. If we must follow, it must go beyond the support level. And that's what we are looking at. Okay, we can follow while we keep our eyes on the sell at market. Our stop loss is 60 cents, while our take profit is $1.20. But oh, it's beyond our control, but we were on a good side. So it's obvious that it's ending to our favor. So let's watch it. It ends to our favor. You see our take profit Our close profit is $1.20. You see, this is 30 minutes. Let me say, because I took some time to explain this, like 25 minutes trading, and we've been able to build our account from $5 to $7.21. This is a live account. This is a live account. You see, we've just made $2.21 on top of the $5. What am I trying to demonstrate? That you don't need a big portfolio to make it in trading. You just need self-control, a good strategy, discipline, and tactical skills. Okay, so we have returned to the start, 35 cents. You are still progressing. Network. Okay, and now this means that I check another market. This one is too spiky. We can't trade this kind of a market. It's too spiky to lead us astray. Now come down to 100 index. It's too spiky. Okay, I'm seeing a trend continuation from a break or consolidation. Oh, it has gone far already, and remember we are in a short time. Okay, if this new candle forms still continue the direction, we follow just as we just did now. We now come to sell at the market, to monitor the market, the trade. It's now entering our favor. At 0.35, we just need 25-cent profit to close the trade. Our countdown, we are on 27 seconds, counting down. Oh, it's entering to our favor. You see 11-cent loss. It's obvious that the market is really jumping. It's out of our control. So we wait to finishing. It ends to our favor. So our portfolio is growing. We now have $7.52. That means we have made 50% profit of our capital. We started with $5, 5 USD account. Now we have $7.52. That's exactly $2.52 on top. That's how our account is being built gradually. See the account. This is a real account, and this is the balance. All right, and you can choose to check the report. You see the profit table. We want to see a series of trades. Still loading. You have to be patient. See our profit table. When we have success, you see green. When you have a loss, you see red. You see? All right. So we made $2.52 on top of a $5 capital. We may choose to go on a break here and then we'll continue this account, this trading. So watch out in this channel to see this from penny to fortune trading challenge. So we stop here for today. Thank you for watching. Keep checking the channel because we'll be coming out very soon with a video on how to trade. We'll be teaching you on the strategy or the strategies we use in making this trading a success. As I said earlier, you do not need a big portfolio to make it in trading. You can always build from small. I've raised an account from 50 cents to $100. I've raised an account from $2 to $200. I've raised an account from $3.45 to $500 and something dollars. I've raised an account from $9 to $1,900 and something dollars. So it is not rocket science. It's just a good strategy in place, self-discipline, and a working strategy. All right. Bye for now till I come your way again. Thank you for watching. Don't fail to subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video.